Donor Ministry approves a total amount of 176 crore 43 lakh rupees for undertaking various schemes in Manipur. Commerce Secretary Anup Vardaman becomes outraged over low-quality ongoing works of More Integrated Checkpost. Wakha villagers demand resolution to ongoing conflicts over construction of Manipur University of Culture within June 27, failing which warn to halt construction by June 28. And one-day workshop at Manipur University promotes medicinal plants, traditional healing system and bamboo products. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The Development of Northeast Region Donor Ministry has approved a total amount of 176 crore 43 lakh rupees for undertaking various schemes in Manipur. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has also clarified that there is no power struggle for leadership among the state leaders. The Chief Minister was responding to media queries on the sidelines of the combined Hills Leaders Day and People's Day held at Chief Minister's bungalow today. Chief Minister Biren reminded that overdraft crisis has occurred before and it is not the first time in Manipur. He maintained that due to certain negligence of the state government and imposition of election code of conduct led to the overdraft situation. Biren disclosed that the state government has initiated an inquiry into the overdraft situation to avoid such crisis in future. The Chief Minister maintained that he met with Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and Prime Minister Narendra Modi while attending the recent Niti Aayog meeting in New Delhi and discussed on the overdraft situation. Consequently, the central leaders gave approval to the state to borrow 795 crore rupees from the open market. Biren also mentioned that central taxes worth 305 crore rupees will be released for the state in a couple of days. The Chief Minister asserted that 400 crore rupees will be borrowed from the open market to solve the current overdraft issue to restore normalcy.
RBI na ban la isi da akhoi da section hokduba amdi leide including me ai yauna masai da karigi ban la halina da finance ki da akhoi na timely finance department akhoi na or department atai na hen na thajal pani khani kai nom di leide na madu khaki check tawna bu wani aduga power department atraga finance department hen na paisa khara chaunu chatpa singdu da soiba yaubra yaudabra haibadu examine tawna na bagini nothing else मधु एग्जामिन तौर मतुंग दा हाना हाना के कोई लेनरी सिचुएशन दा अदुम फजना लोइना लाकनी है दना दमाइना अदुदी मरमदी करी करी नो कराइदा करी सोइरमिनो द मतुंग द थोक्तना भाई तारे मधुगी सेक्शन बा क्वेश्चन बा एकोइ तौरगा अदुम नॉर्मल सी दुम लेनी.
Responding to media queries regarding the rumored ministry reshuffle, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren affirmed that ministry reshuffle will take place in accordance with the approval of the central leaders. However, the exact date is not known yet as the parliament session is in progress. Biren stated that the central government will cross-examine the report of the ongoing inquiry into the financial overdraft initiated by the state government. Chief Minister Biren also mentioned that open tender will be invited for conversion of Imphal city into a smart city project. He cautioned those interested companies to submit only genuine documents to avoid application rejection.
Inquiry report is the kari lakada ke haibadu muso koi yeng batari maram di finance department na timely paupi da baira natraga na karai dagi budget dagi tor aduga election code of conduct manung da paisa kai thokpa yadi haibadi kesuliti. Election code of conduct lairagusu ongoing schemes projects in dum paisa dum thadokpa chakpa dum yai but tawuda new di yade akoina uje thigal is na new gumba yaw grabra or natraga na thabak sudana kari kari to yaw ge habdo I as a head of this government madugi yangsanna bagi tanjam ko lobuni thoidong na koi the political difference adi power tussle adu da kasu koi the leite adu whatever karigumba portfolio ki karigi ama hairagasu central leaders singna kari kramai to ge hebado adui makha.
The combined People's Day and Hills Leaders Day was also held at the office of Additional Deputy Commissioner Moreh today. Additional Deputy Commissioner M. Rajkumar, SDO I. Dinesh Kumar and leaders of various communities of Moreh attended the program. Various issues including lack of electricity during hot summer days, bad condition of roads and bridges, inadequacies at Moreh Hospital and water scarcity issues, etc. were raised during the program. The ADC assured of apprising the matters to the relevant authorities. Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council Laishram Sotin Kumar alleged that the BJP government has misused money power in the 17th Lok Sabha election, leading to current financial crisis in the state. He was speaking in the one-day public discussion on the theme Financial Crisis in Manipur, organized by CPI Manipur State Council at Manipur Press Club today. Sotin Kumar mocked that such financial crisis resulting from misappropriation of funds emerged despite BJP's assurance to uproot corruption. He claimed that many state ministers are involved in the misappropriation. Many people from across the state attended the discussion meet. Faculty member of Economics Department, Manipur University, Chinglen Maisnam, expressed disappointment by stating that leaders of the state are struggling for top posts in the wake of financial overdraft crisis threatening the state. He was speaking in the first Foundation Day celebration of Sangai services at Sri Sri Radha Krishna Mandop in Uripok, Tarangbam Lekai today. Sangai services, which provides housekeeping, cleaning, construction and transportation services, creates jobs for many unemployed youths of the state. Chinglen added that the overdraft situation cannot be taken lightly and its impact will be seen in just a couple of months. He also urged the government to form a state labor policy in the interest of local laborers.
Sumba yamna luraba Manipurgi film masida kogi Sangai services ki mapok mon pangtok pasa masi yamna kogi maru ba yam itasi waita hai aduna aina ngasi Sangai gi sigi mapok masida aina thamdani basa lenga ki sendong gi yomna kham thingna wargadi madubi chai fusa torop charim sing pension phangiba sing makhoi khatta sokona tana thabak suriba Jumlagi lanai sujariba, lanai karbar tawjariba, lanai pagi service tawjariba, mayam da sumasgi chaiting ki.
Secretary of the Ministry of Commerce, Government of India, Anup Vardhaman, expressed outrage over low-quality ongoing works of Moreh Integrated Check Post. A team of 11 delegates of Manipur and Commerce Ministry, led by Commerce Secretary Anup Vardhaman, inspected the ongoing construction at ICP cargo terminal, restrooms and walls of White House building, amongst others, today. The Commerce Secretary advised the contractors to expedite the work and to maintain quality. Responding to media query on why India is not able to provide border pass facilities while Myanmar can, the Commerce Secretary assured of apprising the matter to the authorities concerned without further delay.
हर एक चीज़ हो रही है, तेज़ गति पे होगी। हाँ, अतिशीघ्र पूरा करेंगे। उसको जो भी संबंधित विभाग हैं उनसे हम बात करके इसको जल्दी सब कुछ पूरा होगा। और जो बाकी आम नागरिक हैं और जो बाकी सब स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं, एक्सपोर्टर्स वगैरह, उनको भी आप सेंसिटाइज करिए कि इस व्यवस्था को इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करें। जो भी पुरानी व्यवस्था है उसमें परिवर्तन ला के इस व्यवस्था के अंतर्गत।
Residents of Wakha in Imphal East District today resolved to halt the ongoing construction of Manipur University of Culture if government fails to resolve the controversies over the construction within June 27th. Villagers took the decision during a meeting organized by Wakha Youth Club at Wakha Village Community Hall today. Leaders of various organizations of the state attended the meeting. Speaking on the occasion, President of Wakha Youth Club, Mayanglangbam Wishma, stated that villagers are not against construction of the university, but it should not defile the tiny village of tiny forest of the village, which has deep ancestral ties. He condemned that government initiated the project without consulting the villagers first. The meeting took various resolutions, including not to allow construction of the university without the consent of the villagers, to allow construction of the university only on the areas approved by the villagers, and to urge state and central governments not to give forest clearance to construct the university.
Jun ki kundare sida Shibau ki manung sida Manipur government na waka ki Prarasinga club ka yanaba ma produktuna masi ek produktor hidung pagpang ngamdragadi akoi date 28 dagi pungthing thingjanba haibadi Manipur University of Culture se sabaje sungya yalaro haibagi pungthing thingjabai khongyang ado akoi changjanabagi dam ngasi ki meeting ngasi resolution logi haina ai meeting ngasi pangthok sabani
waka da noi sumaina culture sadoi bise nakoi si noi khunjajing kari leibage amadi forest ki clearance lo matamda khunjasingi oina mi ama ani bok da kau draga akoida khananenabagi amadi mayamda noi waka sadru pose masigumba lei haibisi ngasibo amta haigi daba aduga khunjajing sungangandana clearance lo matamda akoina pamda mafamsing yaukchalamba masi akoi sengna nungaijade culture ji saba sida lamdam sigi awana khangdaba ramra tan hairiba sina mausilaga laikai ji mausilaga kendi mausilaga akoi hairiba thabak thorom singa se sarkar wari sanaramba se akoi khungangi oina masibu yam nungaijade.
Member of Kairak Wabagai Zilla Parishad Mayeng Bam Jentakumar urged government to include Wabagai High School of Wabagai constituency in Kakching district in the first round of selection of school Fagathanshi mission. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Jentakumar stated that recent notification of the education director showed that Kakching Higher Secondary School was selected instead of Wabagai High School against the interests of people of Wabagai. He further mentioned that Kakching Makha High School, which is closely situated to Kakching Higher Secondary School, was also selected. Jentakumar warned of launching non-cooperation movement and intense agitations in the area if the relevant department fails to meet their demands. He also urged the local MLA to look into the matter at the earliest.
Action amadi loina tabon tupa local corporation kudung local kani loina koi panchayat sujila kaseki thapegi local mini saitegi sanchula pathok forum kudung mukta koi corporation direct bagi thongkham lor khaya.
Residents of Moirang Lamkhai today blocked Tidim Road temporarily, demanding completion of the ongoing repair of Moirang Lamkhai Bridge. They demanded completion of the bridge located at the adjoining of National Highway number 150 Tidim Road and State Highway within 25 days, failing which warned of intense agitation. The protesters came out as early as 8:30 a.m. and blocked the road, bringing much plights to commuters. Vehicles ferrying school students were allowed to ply on the road. A police team led by Moirang Police OC Anil Kumar rushed to the spot and managed to pacify the agitators. Local residents have blocked the road leading to Sagolban Mainolairak Maishnam Laikai due to non-maintenance by the relevant authority. They expressed disappointment that despite their repeated pleas to the local MLA and other relevant authorities, the road remains in a deplorable condition since last year. The locals stated that they experience major inconvenience in transportation on the road, especially during rainy season.
Same data they are quite dumb labby thing and my size laiva councillor can de MLA can de akoi boycott out there. Kaino the akoi with same be them now to support out the tare. Quella set tabagi aremba Konang dagina uku bauze mamang uku hausida go at the neighbors lazy.
Forest Department and Environment Directorate jointly carried out tree plantation drive under Green Manipur and Clean Manipur campaign initiated by Chief Minister Nongthomo Biren at Kalong of Nongmai Ching Ching in Imphal East today. The department aims to plant around 1 lakh tree saplings in and around the hill under the campaign. Speaking to media, Forest Minister T.A. Shyamkumar stated that Nongmai Ching is a reserved forest area. He also urged farmers to stop practicing jhum cultivation as it is harmful for the environment.
ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯊꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯆꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯦ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯅ ꯍꯧꯍꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯎꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯍꯟꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯟꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯏꯪ ꯑꯁꯥ ꯈꯟꯖꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯗꯥꯏꯇ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯖꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ.
National People's Youth Front Manipur State Unit in a press release informed that it carried out a tree plantation drive at Oriental College in Tera today under its One Student, One Tree mission. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on one-day workshop on medicinal herbs, traditional healing system and scope for bamboo of Manipur and Myanmar at Manipur University. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. One-day workshop on medicinal herbs, traditional healing system and scope for bamboo of Myanmar and Manipur, attended by delegates from Myanmar and Japan, was held at the Court Hall of Manipur University today. Speaking in the event, a retired professor of Manipur University, Salam Shamkishore, expressed apprehension that medicinal plants indigenous to Manipur are on the verge of extinction due to negligence. Center for Study of Social Exclusion and Inclusive Policy, Manipur University and Department of Southeast Asian Studies, Manipur University, in partnership with Southeast Asia's Center for Agricultural Sciences and Humanities, Marging Industries Private Limited, National Rural Health Mission Manipur and National Bamboo Mission organized the workshop. Special guest of the event, former Director General of Government of the Union of Myanmar and WHO regional expert in traditional medicine for Asia Pacific, Professor Ung Ming, gave a PowerPoint presentation on various ongoing projects in Myanmar for medicinal herbs, traditional healing system and bamboo cultivation. He expressed a desire for Manipur and Myanmar to collaborate in the field since there is close affinity of biodiversity, culture and heritage between Manipur and Myanmar. 11 delegates from Myanmar and 1 delegate from Japan attended the workshop.
We can do a lot even in the present days, although the system is dying. Our government and the universities there can take up for the survival of our system, for the revival of system, important system. We can do quite a lot, but the willpower is needed on the part of people, especially among the young people.
Part of these traditional medicines are originated in India from the Ayurvedic medicine, so also so many socio-cultural heritages are developed and coming along with Manipur state or the Katil tribe.
Taking part in the workshop, former Lieutenant General Dr. Konzam Himalaya asserted that the workshop will greatly contribute in promoting medicinal plants of the state. Speaking in the event's director of Nippon Myanmar Traditional Medicine Development Foundation, Than Tun, expressed desires for Myanmar and Manipur to collaborate with each other in promotion of medicinal herbs. While director of Center for Study of Social Exclusion and Inclusive Policy, Manipur University, Professor Amar Yumnam stated that powerful countries of the world are eyeing for Southeast Asian countries and Northeast states, including Manipur, because of its rich biodiversity. He stressed the need to maintain close association among Southeast Asian countries to promote the same. Professor Amar also stated that Manipur University is the best place to initiate projects for promotion of medicinal herbs, traditional healing system and bamboo plantation.
I am sure that with the initiative that you all have taken, the medicinal herbs that we have in Manipur, with such a vast biodiversity, someday, somebody will actually get hold of and make serious efforts to preserve what we already have. Time is running out to my mind.
Myanmar, India being neighboring countries, so the utilization of medicinal plants is not so different, nearly the same. So that we hope to collaborate in the field of medicinal plants cultivation, utilization and research activities.
Vice-Chancellor of Central Agriculture University CAU, Professor M. Premjit launched two-day Vibrant Northeast 2019 at College of Agriculture, Iroishamba today. Speaking in the event, Professor M. Premjit said that 80% of Northeast people are engaged in agriculture and allied activities due to lack of big industries in the region. He opined that focus on agro-based industries can develop Northeast states. CAU launched Vibrant Northeast 2019 in collaboration with the Indian Council of Food and Agri with an aim to promote agro-based industries. Prior to this, a conference was held yesterday. Over 1,000 individuals, including stakeholders, policymakers, IS officers, scientists, mentors and farmers from across the country and neighboring Bangladesh are taking part in the event.
Matau karam farmers ki income se hangadage aduga karam strategy toragadi agriculture and allied activities the integrated farming system bu oishanu natragana post harvest technology and value addition bu oishanu India government ki 2022 da farmers ki income se double oina bach da vibrant northeast ki sigumba conference na northeast ki state government sing da koi recommendation ama piba yabra policy makers da maramdi farmers sing na koi production toraga su cold storage laitraba natragana warehouse laitraga natraga processing Laitragadi, Lambi Thong Kudong Chadragadi Yadavanina, Shing Shupang Vadarkarle, on Shemba, rainwater harvesting, efficient use of water through micro irrigation. Hariba Mayam Singshi, Punna, Government, Natragana, Koi stakeholder, attention, sugar farmers, Kapuna, Changshilakan, Adugumba, Vibrant Northeast, Highway focused, Pangtop.
Arrangements are all set to hold World Music Day observance in Manipur at Yashkul YC ground tomorrow. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, member of Observation Committee on World Music Day, Manipur, Nongmaitem Paresh, asserted that music has become an integral part of life. He lamented that state government pays less focus on music. He appeals to public to come and witness tomorrow's music show where music bands from across India will be performing. Chairman of Justice Committee on Anglo-Manipur War 1891, H. Ibotombi Kuman, presented books to Manipuri diasporas of Tripura and Assam to open major Chongthamia memorial libraries at Tripura and Assam. The presentation event was held at the Office of International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA in Kashampat today. Speaking in the event, H. Ibotombi Kuman stated that the initiative to open the libraries was taken to let Manipuri diasporas know about the history of the state.
Chongthamia statute akoi tang 2020 phogi manungda akoi sajagani mari lainaba department amadi Manipur da laibiriba well researching na mating pangbiu haina construction committee gi convener amoina miyam da haijari achigum laba akoi gi athobu singi mafam da akoi mathang akoi paikhat chagani makha tabada akoi Manipur da akoi hauji second world war 1891 gi akoi gi war da mathang akoi hero singi oiba mafam sana nambagi damakda construction committee na makha taba akoi thabak paikhat chagani haibdo miyam.
Thoubal District Social Welfare Office, in collaboration with NGOs in Thoubal District, organized a district-level painting competition on drugs abuse ahead of observance of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking on June 26 at the Counting Hall of Thoubal DC office today. Additional SP Law and Order of Thoubal Police T.H. Deshorjit, District Social Welfare Officer A. Kameshwar and many people attended the event. Top 3 winners of the district-level competition will take part in the upcoming state-level painting competition to be held on June 26. One-day free eye camp was held at Mandakini Upper Primary School in Langatel of Thoubal District today. The Sam Langatel Unit Council, Social Club, Langatel and Shiza Hospital Eye Care Unit jointly organized a camp where around 200 individuals were checked up. Community Medicine Department RIMS raised awareness on hand hygiene to children of Thoubal District under its outreach program today. The department team led by Professor Brogen Akoijam held demonstration cum interaction on the theme Hand Hygiene, Empowering Children to Control Infection at Little Millennium Thoubal and Children's Home for Boys Charangpat. The team interacted with around 100 children and demonstrated proper hand washing. One patient who is currently undergoing treatment at Male Medicine Ward Unit 4 of Jennings Hospital went missing around 3 a.m. yesterday. The patient is identified as 41-year-old Karam Joy from Chajing Karam. He was last seen wearing a dark blue colored polo shirt and a half pant. Karam Sham is 5 feet 4 inches tall with oval-shaped face, whitish complexion and short hair. Whosoever find a missing person are requested to contact the nearest police station. Sky Hospitals and Research Center Private Limited for the first time in the state treated Lutembecker syndrome, which is a very rare disease entity with a large hole in the heart. The operation was successfully carried out to a 52-year-old T. Yuiting from Kashung village of Ukrul district yesterday. The operation started at 7 p.m. and finished at 11:50 p.m. T. Yuiting, with the rare heart problem, had been suffering from breathlessness, cough, chest pain, palpitation for many years and was admitted in the hospital on March 6. Dr. L. Shamkishore expressed happiness over the success of the high-risk operation. Indian Red Cross Society Bishnupur District Branch gave its annual feast on the theme Feed the Hungers to Children of Glory Children Home in Thamnapokpi yesterday. Life member of the district Huirem Pramodini Leima sponsored the feast on the occasion of her husband H. Ibomcha's death anniversary. Speaking in the event, Childline Director L. Pishak appreciated Indian Red Cross Bishnupur District Branch for all its initiatives. Stationery items were also distributed to the children on the occasion. AMSU Wangoi branch under AMSU Imphal West District Committee presented food items to Punya Nawa Yaifakol Children Home in Thangmaiban today. While AMSU Yirembam branch felicitated the students under the branch who secured high marks in 2019 Class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by BOSEM, COSEM and CBSE. The felicitation program was held at recent higher secondary school in Sagol Tongba today. An IED exploded near the godown of Northeast Cargo Transport in Mantripukri around 10 p.m. yesterday. The IED bomb was fitted inside a tire near the godown located opposite to Manipur Bazaars on National Highway 39 under Hengang Police Station in Imphal East District. One Sonu Morotwala from Thangal Bazaar is the owner of the godown, which stores color paints. Personnel of IGAR South Forensic Science and a police team led by Imphal East SP inspected the site. There is no report of casualty. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. The Honor Ministry approves a total amount of 176 crore 43 lakh rupees for undertaking various schemes in Manipur. Commerce Secretary Anu Vardawan becomes outraged over low-quality ongoing works of Moray Integrated Check Post. Waka villagers demand resolution to ongoing conflicts over construction of Manipur University of Culture within June 27, failing which warn to halt the construction by June 28. And one-day workshop at Manipur University promotes medicinal plants, traditional healing system and bamboo products.